How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to English grammar class. In our today's English grammar class, we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 4. Nouns, numbers. Means it suggests us whether we are referring to a singular thing or a plural thing. What is singular? Singular means one. Okay, it denotes one. Means one thing, one person, one place. Okay, and what is plural? Means more than one. Means more than one. It could be 2, 3 or any numbers. Right? So it can be many things, many person, means people, places, animals, etc. Okay, so singular denotes one. Plural denotes more than one. Now in this chapter we are going to study about singular and plural. We studied that nouns are classified into 5 types. Right? Nouns are of main 5 types. And in that we studied about proper noun and common noun. Okay. Now common noun includes 2 parts. Okay. Common noun is further divided into 2 types, that is countable and uncountable. Countable nouns which we can count and uncountable nouns which we can't count, which we cannot count. Now for example, you can count this blackboard, right? So it is countable noun. You can count your fingers, so it is countable noun. But for an example, can you count rice? No, so it is uncountable noun. So nouns which we can count are countable and nouns which we cannot count are uncountable. Okay. So which are countable nouns? Countable nouns are generally the abstract nouns. Okay. Countable nouns are the things. Okay. And uncountable nouns are abstract nouns like feelings. Okay. Uncountable nouns like materials. Okay, we denote the material in a singular form only. We don't say that golds. Okay, we say gold, we say steel, we say wood. We don't say golds. Right? These ornaments are made of golds. ऐसा हम नहीं बोलते. That is wrong in grammatical way. So uncountable noun means which can't count, which we can't count are abstract and material noun. Whereas countable nouns are the things we can count. Okay, it includes abstract nouns, it includes concrete nouns. Okay, so we will study this chapter further.
Nouns can be singular or plural. When we are talking about one person or one animal, one place or one thing, we use singular noun. We use article A in front of that noun. A or N in front of singular noun. For example, a ship, a woman, an owl, a train, a flower. When we are talking about more than one, when we are talking about 2 or more people, animals, places or things, we use plural nouns. Most of the nouns are made plural by adding s at the end. When we are talking about 2 or more than 2 nouns, more than 2 people, persons, animals, places or things, we use plural nouns. For example, bats, stars, fence, mugs, caps, pencils, etc. Here we have just added s at the end to make the noun plural. So the first rule is add s to make plural. Mostly we add s to make plural. The second rule to make plural from singular to change singular to plural is by adding es at the end. We have to add es at the end of such singular nouns which end with ch, s, sh, ss, x or o. We have to add es to the singular noun ending with ch, s, ss, sh, x or o. Example: bus, buses. We have to add es. Bush, bushes. bushes, bushes. Brush, brushes. Glass, glasses. Fox, foxes. Box, boxes. Mango, mangoes. mango, mango. mangoes, mangoes. Watch, watches. More examples of the nouns ending with ch, s, ss, sh, x or o. Beach, beaches. Branch, branches. Box, boxes. Dish, dishes. Church, churches. Dish, dishes. Dress, dresses. Guess, guesses. Sandwich, sandwiches. Witch, witches. You can see that we are adding es to convert singular into plural. So the singular noun ends with ch, ch, x, ch, sh, ss, s, h and ch. So we have to add es in all words, in all nouns to make it plural. Some plural nouns end with y after a consonant. Form their plural by dropping y, by changing y and adding I instead of y and es. Means noun with ends which ends with y after a consonant forms their plural by dropping y and adding ies. यानी कि ऐसे सिंगुलर नाउन जो y, जिसका लास्ट लेटर y है, उस y को हमें चेंज करके i में कन्वर्ट करना है और उसके बाद es लगाना है. यानी y रिमूव होगा, i लगेगा और es लगेगा, यानी ies लगेगा. जिसके पहले कॉन्सोनेंट है, लास्ट लेटर y है. Example given: butterfly. Here this singular noun ends with y and l is consonant. So we will add ies. We will remove y and add ies. Butterflies. Second, candy. Here d is consonant. Okay, d is consonant and this noun is ending in y. So we will replace y with I and add es. So we will remove y and add ies. Candy, candies. lily, lilies. Canary, canaries. Here lily, Lily. L is consonant and the word is ending with Y. So we will change into LIL. Then we will remove Y and add IES. So it will become lilies. I hope you are clear with this. Some more examples of this rule. Baby, BABY. We will remove Y and add IES. Babies. Cherry. We will remove Y and add IES. Dairy. We will remove Y and add IES. We have to check whether the second last letter is consonant or is it vowel. And then we have to convert singular to plural. Okay, here you can see in this list the second last letter, the second last alphabet of the word is consonant. So we will remove Y and add IES. Next word, dictionary. R is consonant and this word ends with Y. So it will be converted. We will remove Y and add IES. Dictionaries. Fairy, fairies. Family, families. Fly, flies. Sky, skies. Lady, ladies. Library, libraries. Puppy, puppies. Story, stories. Strawberry, strawberries. Here in this list, every word is having consonant in them. So we will remove Y and add IES. The fourth rule is when a noun is ending with Y after a vowel, their plural will become only by adding S. If there is a vowel before Y, we will just add S to form the plural, to convert into plural. The first example here is key. Here KEY, key. But before Y, the alphabet is E, which is vowel. So we will just add S to make plural. KEYS, keys. The second example is turkey. Turkey. In this word, the second last letter means the letter just before Y is again E. So we will just add S to make plural. Third example is tray. TRAY, tray. Here the alphabet just before Y is A, which is vowel. So we will just add S. TRAYS. Students, I hope you know that there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Rest of the alphabets are consonants. So A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and rest of the alphabets of A to Z are consonants. So there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Some more example of this rule. Chimney, chimneys. Here the word chimney ends with Y, and before Y there is a vowel E. So we will just add S to make plural. Chimneys. Cowboy. Here the word ends with Y, and before Y there is O. So again we will just add S to make plural. Cowboys. Donkey, donkeys. Kidney, kidneys. Monkey, monkeys. Trolley, trolleys. Valley, valleys. If a noun ends in F, you often change F to V and add ES. Means the nouns which end with F or FE will change into VES. We have to remove the F, FE and add VES. We have to remove F, FE and change into VES. Example: calf, calves. Here CALF. So we will change F into V and add ES. Calves. Elf, elves. We will change F into V and add ES. Half, half, halves. Loaf, loaves. Loaf, loaves. Shelf, shelves. Thief, thieves. Some plural nouns that end in F just needs S to convert into plural. Example: chef, chefs. Chief, chiefs. Cliff, cliffs. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Roof, roofs. Sheriff, sheriffs. Dwarf, dwarfs. Belief, beliefs. For nouns ending with F have more than two ways to double ways, more than one way to form plurals. Example: hoof, hooves. Staff, staffs. Scarf, scarves. Wharf, wharves. With some words that end with FE, you change F to V and add S. Knife, knives. life, lives, wife, wives. But you only add s to giraffe to form the plural. This is the exception of the rule that in giraffe's spelling you only have to add s. If a noun ends with o, we have to add s to make it plural. Rhino, rhinos. Kangaroo, kangaroos. Hippo, hippos. Video, videos. Zoo, zoos. Here all the words end with o. And if the noun ends with o and has consonant in front, consonant before o, in that case you have to add es. Example, mango. Here the mango's spelling is mango. So before o, alphabet letter is G. G is consonant. So if before o there is a consonant, you have to add es. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. T-A-T-O-M-A-T-O. Here T is consonant which comes before O. So we have to add es. Tomatoes. These are irregular forms to change singular to plural. Here there is no specific rule, but we have to memorize these words and their plural. Child, children, men. Here the spelling will change, but the pronunciation can be same. Men, M-A-N, men, plural, M-E-N. Ox, oxen, tooth, teeth. Woman, 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 W-O-M-A-N, woman, plural, woman, W-O-M-E-N. Here there is no specific rule, but generally we add N, E-N or R-E-N to change. We have to memorize these kinds of nouns and their plural forms. Mouse, mice, foot, feet, goose, geese. Some plural forms are same as the singular forms, means some nouns have the same forms in singular as well as plural. This noun, when spoken in singular or plural, will remain the same. Example, fish, sheep, deer, fruit, etc. Fruit, deer, fish, sheep, wheat, water, series, etc. Countable and uncountable nouns. Common nouns can be divided into countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, so in common noun there are further two types of nouns, countable and uncountable. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. Example, I eat a banana every day. Here a banana means banana in singular form. That means one. I eat a banana every day. Means banana is countable. Okay. Now I like bananas very much. Here bananas means many bananas. Okay, it means more than one. So banana is a countable noun. We can count banana. So banana is a countable noun. We can put an S on a countable noun. Okay, in a countable noun we can put S to make it plural. तो जो भी नाउन में हम S या ES, ठीक है, S या ES लगा सकते हैं उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए, वो सारे नाउन्स है वो काउंटेबल हैं. So a countable noun can be singular or plural. ठीक है, countable noun can be singular also, it can be plural also. Countable nouns are things we can count. ठीक है, ऐसे nouns, ऐसे things जो हम count कर सकते हैं. Okay, for example here banana, we can count banana, right? So we can say 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas. ओके, तो बनाना के पीछे क्या लगाया हमने? S. ओके, सो उसका प्लूरल बना और हमने आगे 1 2 3 ऐसे हम काउंट भी कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ काउंटेबल नाउन. नाउ अदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. Uncountable nouns are nouns that we cannot count. Example, I eat rice every day. Okay, I like rice. We can't say I like rices. Okay, so rice is used in singular form only. Okay, it is uncountable, right? We can't add S or ES after rice. So rice is an uncountable noun. An uncountable noun has only one form. ठीक है, वो एक ही फॉर्म में यूज़ होता है और एक ही फॉर्म होता है. ठीक है, उसका फॉर्म हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. हियर इट हैज़ वन फॉर्म ओनली. Uncountable nouns are things we can't count. Okay, they are uncountable. We can't count. Okay, so uncountable nouns are the things we can't count. We can't put an S on an uncountable noun. Uncountable noun के पीछे आप S या ES नहीं लगा सकते. Okay, you can't add S or ES after uncountable noun. We can't say 1 rice, 2 rices, etc. Okay, हम ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते 1 rices, 2 rice. Okay, 1 rice, 2 rices, 3 rices ऐसा we can't say. So it is uncountable noun. Here let's study this table. There are some rulers and pencils on the desk. There are some rulers. Now rulers is a countable or uncountable? Which kind of noun it is? Rulers means they are countable nouns. Okay, we can add S or ES, right? It is in plural form, so it is countable noun. There are some rulers and pencils on the desk. Now you can count how many rulers and how many pencils are there on the desk. So for countable we use there are, and for uncountable we use there is. Okay, for example, there is some meat in the fridge. Okay, there is some meat in the fridge. Now you can count meat, you can't count meat, right? So it is uncountable noun. There is some cheese in the fridge. Now you can't count cheese. Okay, so it is uncountable noun. Yes, I agree to you that you can count the cheese cubes, but that cube is countable and cheese is uncountable noun. So when you use cheese, okay, then you have to add there is. Okay, so there is some cheese in the fridge. I hope you are getting it clear. Okay, you are understanding. We use there is some when the noun is uncountable, we use there is. Okay, when the noun is uncountable, and we use there are some when the noun is countable. Let's take few more examples. She drinks tea every day. She drinks 5 cups of tea every day. She drinks 5 cups of tea every day. Please pass on some rice to me. Please pass on 4 bags of rice to me. Okay, these sentences we have read. Now we will understand the meaning. You will observe that things like cups and bags. Okay, when we were talking about tea, okay, we used cups, and we were talking about rice, we used bags. So the words, the nouns like cups and bags can be counted, as we can say 5 cups or 4 bags. Cups and bags are therefore called countable nouns. Okay, but we can't count tea or we can't count rice, so they are uncountable noun. Things that can be counted, nouns that can be counted are countable nouns, and the nouns that cannot be counted are uncountable nouns. Things like tea and rice cannot be counted. We cannot say 5 teas, 4 rices. Tea and rice are therefore known as uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted. Let us see the difference between countable and uncountable. Countable noun. Countable nouns are used both in singular and plural, whereas uncountable nouns are only used in singular. A girl, 3 girls, an apple, 5 apples. These are countable nouns. Money, milk, millets are uncountable noun. Now take the article a or n in the singular. It takes article a or n. ठीक है, countable noun के आगे a और n लग सकता है, जैसे कि a book, an umbrella, okay, a balloon. But uncountable nouns does not take articles a or n. Okay, uncountable does not take articles a or n. Example, wool. We can't say a wool, an wool. Okay, so uncountable nouns do not take articles a or n. Countable nouns are qualified by words many and few. Qualified by the words many and a few. Example, many men, many children. Okay, a few pencils. There were few pencils on desk. Many children came to school. So these are countable nouns. Now uncountable nouns are qualified the words like much and little. How much water will you drink? How much water you need? I need a little salt. Okay, please add a little salt in this curry. So these are the examples of uncountable nouns. तो countable के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं many और few, और uncountable के लिए यूज़ करते हैं much and little. Okay.
I hope children you understood this chapter and you are clear about nouns, numbers. Okay, in this chapter we studied singular, plural, countable and uncountable nouns. You have to read the chapter, you have to solve the exercise. If you are having any doubt, you have to drop your query, you have to contact me, or you can ask in the live class. Okay children, see you next time in the next video tutorial. Till then, bye, take care.